Well, hello everybody out there in the world. Camping Russ here saying hi. Haven't been out camping lately. I've been trying to get a lot of things done in town. I have a lot of things. Got a haircut? Ooh, yeah. I'm going to do a lot more videos on camping. I'm tricking my truck out with my logos and everything with Camping Russ. I'll show videos of it. I'm putting more logos and everything on my Harley trailer. Check it out. I got the logos on the truck. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Check out the front. Camping Russ. Even got him on the trailer. Very nonchalant, discreet, yes. Oh, it's down there in the corner. Oh, look at that. Oh, even on the back, look at that. Camping Russ. Got Facebook. There we go on the other side. Nice. Very cool. I'm stoked. Wow, cool. But I'm trying to improve a lot of my camera gear. And one thing I went with was an Osmo. So I am going to put this on there. And so I don't have any like vibration and stuff. Let's take the camera battery off here. Oh, come on. We're going to try this recording again and see if this actually comes out where the video is supposed to be. I'm using this new Osmo thing, DJI, and it's supposed to follow my face without any vibrations, and you know, I could go like this with the handle and it doesn't like go all over the place. So, and it's coming out pretty good. I wanted to share a couple things with you guys. I haven't been camping lately. Been trying to get a lot of things done in town. I'm picking up a mountain bike. Mission to the family. The medium Harley, the Marlin 7. I really need a GoPro. So, I'm so out of shape. After working on the house. Anyway, I'm going to be working for the next couple years on my project. Was able to pick up a nice little house. Boy, that did some damage. Okay, gotta do some plumbing work. Gotta cut a hole down the basement, up. I got in the back wall of the kitchen, the bathroom. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, before my battery dies, I better get this done. See ya. Peace out. Okay, we're going to see if we have no leaks. I really love plumbing. Oh, yes, I do. Hey, check it out. Got the sink done. Got the faucet. Got the curtains hung up. Got everything caulked. And anyway, got the plumbing in. All right. Now, the truth of it is, will he have any leaks as he wanders down into the basement? Ooh. You know, you always have that like, oh my God, what's going to happen? Okay, so, and here we go. The best little things you could ever do in the basement are these shark bites. No soldering, no gluing. You pop them right on, they're done. And hopefully they don't leak. Okay, the truth. What is that saying? The truth will prevail. I always hate this part. You know, you're scared to death to turn anything. Okay, there's one. And it's on. And I have no leaks. Let's go upstairs, check it out. I didn't see any water go as I'm like running up here to, I've been doing a ton of painting. Okay, let's see. As we get on my old knees here. Look at that. No leaks. Papa Russ is good. Yeah. Okay, I should turn on the other one. But maybe, maybe we should turn this on. I hate this. Okay, we're turning it on to the faucet. I hear air. And nothing. Oh, no. Psych. Ah! Man, I love when a plan comes together. 2 thumbs up. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go turn the other one on. But I'm going to pause it. So I'll let you know how it turns out. It should turn out fine if that one held. Okay. See ya. Peace out. All right. I turned the other one on. No leakage. So we're going to open the little valves here. And nice faucet, huh? Woo! And check it out, magnet. Woo! Ooh, that's so cool. Okay. Let's see if we got some water here. I hate plumbing. Holy free, holy Batman! A lot of air in the system. And look at that. Cool. I love it when a plan. Oh, oops. I forgot to open this up. I love it when a plan comes together. Yeah! As my little brother would say, Nano. So, and we look like we got plenty of drainage. And everything is dry. Boy, look at that. Boy, you could almost call me a professional plumber. All right. See ya. This is just another adventure of camping with Russ in home improvements now. We went from camping to cooking to crashing my bike to plumbing and then electrical. Okay, see ya. Not that fancy at all. I don't need a lot to live in, but I am trying to put a house in the back for my mom, and then I'll bulldoze my one down and then put a house in the front for myself. And I will come out with a lot more videos. So that's my next 5-year project. Hopefully, God willing, my health holds up. I can bring you a lot more videos, footage. I'm hoping to make it to a lot of the Overlander expos within the next couple of years. Watching all these guys, I'd love to meet them face to face. Yeah. Overlanding, one thing I do have to say, overlanding is about setting up a person's rig the way you want to do it. take all these videos from people's YouTube channels, how they're doing it, and set it up for yourself. You don't need all the equipment to get out there and just have fun. You don't need a fancy big truck with big tires or a Jeep or anything like that. Overlanding, to me, is getting out there and enjoying nature, which I am itching to get back out there and do. So I just wanted to pass this on to you. I am trying to do a lot of videos right now while I'm in town for smaller businesses that support my channel. And I love small businesses that are mom and pop businesses, not big corporation businesses. Not saying anything bad about the corporations, but they just don't take care of you like the mom and pop ones do. And on that footnote, I hope you guys like my channel. Please subscribe, give me thumbs up, touch the bell. You'll see a lot more coming to you in the near future. All right, guys. Peace out. Be safe. And the summer's coming, starting to get closer to fall. I can feel it in the air. Get out there, go camping, have fun, and enjoy. Just enjoy it, no matter what you do. Peace out. See ya.